Go on and put on that dress that all the bad boys like. I know your daddy ain't home, so ride with me tonight. You always wind up here in a puddle of tears. Then boys around and they're angry and they're looking for blood in the back of a blue old pickup truck. You got nowhere to go, though you're all gussied up. There's so much whiskey in his coat it'll make a noise, babe. But she swears that his love is a damn godsend. She ain't known God since she was a child. She used to play in the yard and she would dream of one day, till the world came around and took her dreaming away. Told her how to dress and act and smile. She's a Oklahoma Smokeshow. It's an asshole from back home. She'll never make it out alive. Of that small town bar scene where small vices kill your big dream. He'll take you home, but he's too drunk to drive. I've been here, I've been up all night, thinking about life with you and I. One you'll never know, 'cause you're a smoke show. Well, I've been here, I've been up all night, thinking about life with you and I. One you'll never know, 'cause you're a smoke show. Go and put on that dress that all the bad boys like. I know your daddy ain't home to take you free tonight. You always wind up here in a puddle of tears. And boys around and are angry and they're looking for blood in the back of a blue old pickup truck. Got nowhere to go, though you're gussied up. Pluckers I've Soul Fingers again with you with another new one from, or newish one from Bryan, which I've had a lot of requests for. Oklahoma Smokeshow. Okay, so I've relented. Okay, sorry about the singing, I'm still coughing and spluttering from COVID, but this is the best I can do, I'm afraid. And there's a lot of words in this as well, trying to read and play at the same time. Anyway, so standard tuning, capo on the first fret, puts us into the same key as Bryan, as far as I can tell. Okay, so the introduction, basically starting off with a partial G chord, I'm just playing the open 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings. Okay, just do it like 4 times, or how many times you feel it. That sort of thing. So it's strings 4, 3, 2. And then you make like an A minor 7th or a partial C chord, 2nd on the 4th, 1st on the 2nd, and it's the same idea, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, yeah? Okay, then just take the first finger off, you're left with like a partial E minor, 2nd on the 4th, open 3rd, open 2nd, twice, just the twice on that one, okay? So G, partial C chord, 2/8 on E minor, then a single strum on a D chord, then slide up on the 2nd string from the 3rd fret from the capo to the 5th fret, and then hit 2 lots on the 5th fret, and back to the 3rd fret on the 2nd, and then we're into G. Okay, so slowly. On that D, I tend to just hit the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings. And when you get to the 2nd string, you slide up to that 5th fret. Okay? So once again, slowly. Okay, and that's the sort of boom, 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 boom. You can palm mute it if you like, put the back edge of your hands near the bridge across the strings very lightly, if you want to, okay? And the chords on the the verse are G, go on and put on a dress that all the bad boys see, like, I know your daddy ain't home, so ride with me to E minor. Right. You always wind up D, here in a puddle of G tears. So that's G, go out and put on a dress that all the bad boys see, right, I know your daddy ain't home, so ride we to E minor, right, you always wind up D, here in G, and that just repeats for the next, it does 4 verses, okay, like that, all different words obviously, but it's the same sequence, okay, so go on and put on that dress that all the bad boys like, I know your daddy ain't home, so ride with me tonight. You always wind up here in the puddle of tears. Same chords for the next verse. Them boys are round and they're angry and they're looking for blood in the back of a blue old pickup truck. You got nowhere to go, oh, guss it up. Same again for the 3rd verse. There ain't so much whiskey in his drunk that it'll make her bells bend, but she swears that his love was like God sin. And oh God, since she was a child. And finally the 4th verse exactly the same. She used to play in the yard and she would dream of one day, till the world came around, took her dreaming away, told her how to dress and act and smile. And then there's a bit of a build up, okay, so it does that, where it goes just downstrokes, okay, and into the chorus, and the chorus is C, and it's basically single chord strums. She's a C, Oklahoma Smokeshow, and then there's a little double stopper, okay. Now then, I'm up on the real life 11th fret to 13th fret, okay? So that's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th fret from the capo, or 11th fret in real life, okay? And it's a double stop, barring the first 2 strings with your first finger, and you just hit those 2 strings and slide it up 2 frets to the 13th fret in real life, or 12th fret from the capo, okay? Okay, like that. So it goes, she's a, sorry, she's a, hang on, I've lost it, hang on, this is why it's smile. She's a Oklahoma Smokeshow, then you do that slide, then he goes, he's a G, single stroke will do, arsehole from back home, and then you do the reverse slide from the 13th fret in real life down to 11th, so it just does the reverse of what you did the first time, 11 to 13, 13 to 11, so it goes, Oklahoma Smokeshow, he's a G, arsehole from back home, slide back down again, then to D, She'll never, so you can strum this bit if you like, never make it out alive. And what I'm doing there is I'm playing the top 3 strings, open 3rd string, 5th fret on the 2nd string from the capo, and 3rd fret from the capo on the top E string. Okay, and it's, so you slide, you can, those 3 strings, pick up the top E string, and then hit the 5th 2nd string. Okay, it goes, smoke show, he's an arsehole from the soul, and he never easy. Bit of a pause, and then it does it again. Da 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 da. Okay, then it just repeats on different words, obviously, where it goes, on that small town bar scene, she'll, where are we, sorry, sorry, let's do it again, sorry, small sweet bar scene, where vices kill your big dreams, he'll take you home when he's too drunk to die. Okay, then we go into the next bit. C, I've been here, I've been up all night. G, thinking about a life with you and I. D, one you'll never know, 'cause you're smokes, E minor, smoke show. C, well I've been here, I've been up all night. G, thinking about a life with you and I. D, one you never know, 'cause you're a small town, E minor, smoke show. And then it goes into an instrumental, which is basically the same as the last 2 bits you did. The C to G to D to E minor twice. That's the instrumental guitar bit. G, D, E minor. And then basically it goes back and does the first 2 verses again. It just says, go and put your dress that bread boys like. No daddy home, so never always wind up here in the middle of jeans. It's the first 2 verses all over again, yeah? So let's just go through this chorus again. So, but it comes into that chorus from the verse and it builds up on the told her to dress and act and smile. Build up. She's seen Oaklahoma Smokeshow. He's an asshole from back home. She'll never make it out. Okay, next second bit of the small town bar scene, where 4 vices kill your big dreams. We'll take you home, but it's too drunk to drive. See, I've been here, I've been up all night. G, thinking about a life with you and a D. One you never know, 'cause you're small town, E minor as well. I've been here, I've been up all night, thinking about a life with you and I. 'Cause you're a small town smoke show. Instrumental, which is the C, G, D, E minor. And you do that twice. And then after that you just do the first 2 verses again. Okay, boys and girls, hopefully you got that. Sorry about the voice breaking up. As I said, it's still got the after effects of COVID. Okay, my concentration isn't that good either, so sorry about a few boo-boos and lapses of memory. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, whenever that will be, I'm not sure. Okay, bye.